My dear students, welcome to the online class. Today I am going to take a chapter called Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra. So, in this chapter, we are going to discuss today what is Boolean algebra and contents of Boolean algebra. Boolean algebra. So first let us say what is mean by Boolean algebra. Algebra which deals with the binary numbers, that is binary numbers, is called Boolean algebra. Binary numbers means digits called 0 and 1. Algebra which deals with the binary values. Binary values 0 and 1 is called Boolean algebra. The person called George Boole introduced this Boolean algebra. The main purpose of Boolean algebra is to the main purpose of Boolean algebra is to design logic circuits which are going to be used in the processors of computer system. Now let us see the contents of this Boolean algebra. Now let us see the contents or constraints of Boolean algebra. The following are the main contents of Boolean algebra. First one, variable. Second one, complement of variable. Constant. And fourth one, literal. So these four are the main contents of Boolean algebra or constraints of Boolean algebra. In the study of Boolean algebra, it is very important to know about what is mean by variable, what is mean by complement of variable, what is mean by a constant, what is mean by a literal, and fifth one is one more thing, Boolean expression. Now let us discuss or let us know what is mean by a variable. First thing, variable. A variable or a Boolean variable is a symbol used in a Boolean algebra which is going to hold a binary value either 0 or 1. For example, see here x, y, z, anything, any symbol, any letter which is going to hold binary value, that is 0 or 1, is considered as Boolean variable. And the next thing is complement of a variable. What is mean by complement of a variable or a variable means? A complement of a variable is indicated by a bar over the variable, is considered as complement of a variable. For example, see here x, y, z are the variable. What is the complement of x? Complement of a variable is denoted by a bar over the variable. X is a variable means its complement form will be x bar. Like that, if y is a variable, then complement of a variable y is y bar. Suppose z is a variable, then the complement of variable z is indicated by z bar. So this is nothing but complement of the variable. And the next thing is constant. What is a constant? Constant is a fixed value in a Boolean expression. For example, let us consider y is equal to x plus 1. Y is equal to x plus 1. This is one expression. Here, in the RHS side, two terms are there. This x is called variable. Boolean variable means it is going to hold a Boolean value either 0 or 1. And the second term is called constant. Constant means a fixed quantity. It may be 0 or 1. A fixed quantity is considered as constant. Right? And the next thing is literal. What is the literal? Literal is a one which may be a variable or complement of a variable. Means, what is the literal means? Literal is a one which may be a variable or complemented form of a variable is considered as literal. For example, x, x bar, z, z bar. Here, x is a variable, z is a variable, x bar is a complement of a variable, z bar is a complement of a variable. So, what is literal? Literal is a variable or complement of a variable is considered as literal, right? So, here x is a variable, x bar is a complement of a variable. What is meant by literal? Literal is a one which may be complemented variable or a variable. A variable or complement of a variable is considered as literal. Okay? And the next thing is Boolean expression. What is a Boolean expression? Boolean expression is a combination of Boolean variables with Boolean operator or logical operator is considered as Boolean expression. What is this? What is mean by Boolean expression? Boolean expression is a one which is a combination of Boolean variables with Boolean operators. Boolean operators are, it is also called logical operators. For example, y is equal to a plus b, right? This is an expression. Okay. What is a Boolean expression? Boolean expression is a combination of Boolean variables with Boolean operator. Here, a and b are what? Boolean variables, right? Plus is what? Boolean operator or logical operator, right? Once again I am going to tell you what is mean by Boolean expression. Expression means Boolean expression is a combination of Boolean variables with logical operators. So this is called introduction to Boolean algebra. So here now let us see some very important points related to this Boolean algebra. In Boolean algebra, logical constants are true or false, yes or no, 1 or 0. What is this? In Boolean algebra, logical constants. In Boolean algebra, logical constants are denoted by true or false. In Boolean algebra, logical constants are denoted by true or false. First thing. Second thing, in Boolean algebra, logical constants can also be denoted using yes or no. And one more thing, in Boolean algebra, logical constants can also be denoted using 1 or 0. Right? Okay. And the next point, the decision which results into either yes or no is called binary decision. The decision which results into either yes or no is called binary decision. In a Boolean expression, each Boolean variables must be hold only binary values. What it says? In Boolean algebra, in a Boolean expression, each Boolean variable must be hold binary values 0 or 1. What it says? In a Boolean expression, each Boolean variable must hold binary values 0 or 1. Means here this is the Boolean expression y is equal to x plus 1. Here this x is a Boolean variable. We have to say this x must be a Boolean variable, means it must be hold either 0 or 1. Means in a Boolean expression, a variable means Boolean variable is going to hold binary value 0 or 1. And the next thing, Boolean algebra is ideally suited to design logic. In Boolean algebra is ideally suited to digital circuit analysis. Right? So, in this introduction to Boolean algebra, today what we learned means what is a Boolean algebra, who derived Boolean algebra, and the next thing is contents of Boolean algebra. What are the contents of Boolean algebra? Variable, complement of a variable, constant, literal, Boolean expression. These are the contents or constraints of Boolean algebra. And the next thing is, now we are going to discuss what is meant by logical operations. What is meant by logical operations? What is meant by logical operations? What is meant by logical operations? When Boolean variables are combined with logical operators and or not to give binary values, such operations are called logical operations. What is meant by logical operations? When in Boolean algebra, logical operators are, for example, and, or, not are considered as logical operators. When logical operators such as and, or, not are going to combine with Boolean variables to give Boolean value, such operations are called logical operations. Let us see once again. When Boolean variables are combined with logical operators and or not to give binary values, that is 0 or 1, such operations are called logical operations. Now let us see what is meant by logical operators.